Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to fix audio track YouTube problem in YouTube TV. So sometimes you get no sound on your YouTube TV, and in order to fix this issue, you should follow my steps. Okay, now first thing that you should do is to simply go and click on your profile icon on the top right side. Then you want to go and navigate to settings. After going to settings, you will see this interface. Just scroll down till you find here this option 5.1 audio. Click on it. And once you click on OK with your remote control, here you can find surround sound on. Just turn this option off and your issue will be fixed. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.